Hello students, today I want to discuss chapter 12 Heron's formula. Before start the chapter 12 Heron's formula, I want to discuss the introduction of chapter 12 Heron's formula. Introduction is firstly I want to discuss the definition of perimeter. The perimeter of a plane figure is the length of its boundary. In case of a triangle or a polygon, the perimeter is the sum of the lengths of its sides. Mainly perimeter is called the sum of its all sides. Heron's formula to find the area of a triangle. An Egyptian mathematician Heron's was born in 10 AD in Alexandria. His geometrically works deal largely with problems on mensuration. He derived the famous formula for the area of a triangle in terms of its three sides. The formula given by Heron's about the area of a triangle is also known as Heron's formula. Area of a triangle is square root of s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where a, b, c are the sides of a triangle and s is semi-perimeter. S is equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. This is a Heron's formula. S, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, and s equal to a plus b plus c by 2. S is called the semi-perimeter, and this is a Heron's formula. Heron's formula is basically used to find the area of a triangle if we have given the sides of a triangle. Now exercise 12.1, first question. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of signal board? We have given traffic signal boards, traffic sign signal board, and with equilateral triangle of side A. ABC is a equilateral triangle of side A, means AB equal to A, BC equal to A, AC equal to A, because we know that in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. And S equal to A plus B plus C by 2, S is called the semi-perimeter. We have given all the three sides are equal A, that is A. So S equal to A plus A upon 2, A plus A 3 upon 2. Now using Heron's formula, area of triangle is square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put S equal to 3A by 2, S equal to 3A upon 2 minus A, 3 upon 2 minus A. B is second side we have given A, C is third side we have given A. So 3 upon 2 minus A, solving 3 upon 2 minus A upon 1 we get A by 2. Therefore 3 upon 2 into A by 2 into A by 2 into A by 2. 3 as it is, A into A into A into A raised to power 4 over 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 upon 16, square root of 3, square root of A raised to power 4 upon square root of 16, square root of 3, we can write A raised to power 4 as A square, the whole square, square with the root cancel, square root of 3 A square upon 4. This is the area of triangle of side A, means this is the area of equilateral triangle of side A. In the second part we have given perimeter equal to 180 centimeter. Perimeter we know that sum of its all sides, perimeter equal to A plus A plus A upon A plus A plus A, that is A plus A plus A 3A. Therefore 3A equal to 180 because we have given perimeter equal to 180. This is perimeter equal to 3A, therefore 3A equal to 180, A equal to 180 upon 3. 180 divided by 3 we get 60, A equal to 60 centimeter. Now S is the semi-perimeter equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. 60 plus 60 plus 60 by 2, 60 plus 60 plus 60, 180 upon 2, 180 divided by 2 we get 90 centimeter. Now using Heron's formula, area of triangle is square root of s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. S we have 90 centimeter, a, b, c we have given 60, 90 as it is, 90 minus 60 30, 90 minus 60 30, 90 minus 60 30, we can write 90 as 3 into 30, 30 as it is, 30 as it is, 30 as it is. Now pairs, from the pair of 30 into 30 we get 30, from the pair of 30 into 30 we get 30, square root of 3 as it is, 30 into 30 900, square root of 3 as it is 900, square root of 3 centimeter square is your required answer. Question number 2 statement is, the triangular side walls of a flyover has been used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? The flyover, this is the sides of a triangle, 122 meter, 22 meter, 120 meter. Firstly, we shall find the area of a triangle. So let A equal to 122 meter, B equal to 22 meter, C equal to 120 meter, S equal to A plus B plus C over 2, 122 plus 22 plus 120 upon 2. Adding this we get 264 upon 2. 264 divided by 2 we get 132 meter. S equal to 132 meter. Using Heron's formula, area of triangle is square root of s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. S is 132 meter. A, B, C are 122, B 22, C 120. So put the value of S, A, B and C. 132, 132 minus 122, 132 minus 22, 132 minus 120. 132 as it is, 132 minus 122, 10. 132 minus 22, 110. 132 minus 120, 12. We can write 132 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. We can write 10 as 2 into 5. We can write 110 as 2 into 5 into 11. We can write 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. Now make the pair of 2, 3, 5 and 11. We get 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24, 24 into 5, 120, 120 into 11, 1320 meter square. So area of triangle is 1320 meter square. Now rent for advertisement on wall for 1 year equal to rupees 5000 meter square. Rent for advertisement on wall for 12 months, because we have know that in 1 year 12 months equal to 5000 meter square. Rent for advertisement on wall for 1 month equal to 5000 upon 12. Rent for advertisement on wall for 3 months equal to 5000 upon 12 into 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 4 the 12. 5000 divided by 4 is 1250. Now rent for advertisement on wall for 3 months for 1320 meter square is 1250 into 1320, we get 16,50,000 rupees. So answer is 60,50,000 rupees. Question number 3. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. See figure. You can see the figure, keep the park green and clean. Here we have given the sides of a wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. This is 15 meter, this is 11 meter, this is 6 meter. Find the area painted in color. We have to find the area of painted in color. It means we have to find the area of a triangle. So S equal to, that is semi perimeter, A plus B plus C upon 2. 15 plus 11 plus 6 by 2. 15 plus 11 plus 6, 32 by 2. 32 divided by 2 we get 16 meter. S equal to 16 meter. Now using Heron's formula, area of colored triangular wall, square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, 16, 16 minus 15, 16 minus 11, 16 minus 6, 16 as it is, 16 minus 15, 1, 16 minus 11, 5, 16 minus 6, 10. We can write 16 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 as it is, 5, 5 as it is. We can write 10 as 2 into 5. Now from the pair of 2 into 2, 2, from the pair of 2 into 2, 2, from the pair of 5 into 5, 5, 2 as it is, 2 to the 4, 4 5 the 20, 20 square root of 2 meter square is your required answer. Question number 4, statement is find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and perimeter is 42 centimeter. We have to find the area of triangle. We have given two sides and perimeter. Let A first side is 18 centimeter, B second side is 10 centimeter, and we don't know the third side. Let C equal to third side. Firstly we shall find the third side. We have given perimeter is 42 centimeter. We know that perimeter is the sum of all the sides of a triangle. Perimeter equal to A plus B plus C equal to 42. A is 18, B is 10, C we don't know, equal to 42. 18 plus 10, 28, plus C equal to 42. Therefore C equal to 42 minus 28, C equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore the third side is 14 centimeter. Now S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. 18 plus 10 plus 14 by 2. 18 plus 10 plus 14, 42 by 2. 42 divided by 2 we get 21. Therefore S is semi-perimeter is 21 centimeter. Now by using Heron's formula, area of triangle is square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. 21, 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, 21 minus 14, 21 as it is, 21 minus 18, 3, 21 minus 10, 11, 21 minus 14, 7. We can write 21 as 3 into 7, 3 as it is, 11 as it is, 7 as it is. Now make the pair of 3 and 7. From pair of 3 into 3 we get 3. From pair of 7 into 7 we get 7. 11 as it is. 3 into 7, 21. Square root of 11. Therefore 21 square root of 11 centimeter square is your required answer. Question number 5. Sides of a triangular plot in the ratio 12 ratio 17 ratio 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. In this question we have given the sides of a triangular plot in the ratio and we have given perimeter. We have to find the area. Let first side 12x because sides are in the ratio. Let second side 17x. Let third side 25x. We know that the perimeter is sum of all the sides of a triangle. Therefore perimeter is 12x plus 17x plus 25x. 12x plus 17x plus 25x we get 54x. We have given also perimeter is 540 centimeter. Therefore 54x equal to 540. X equal to 540 upon 54. 540 divided by 54 we get 10. Therefore x equal to 10. Now let first side 12x. 12x meaning 12 into x. 12 into 10 120 centimeter because we have x equal to 10. Second side 17x. 17x means 17 into x. 17 into 10 170 centimeter. Second side is 170 centimeter. Third side 25x. 25x meaning 25 into x. 25 into 10 25 into 10 250 centimeter. Now S, that is semi perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2, 120 plus 170 plus 250 by 2, 120 plus 170 plus 250 we get 540 by 2. 540 divided by 2 we get 270 centimeter. By using Heron's formula, area of triangle is square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. 270, 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170, 270 minus 250, 270 as it is, 270 minus 120 150, 270 minus 170 100, 270 minus 250 20. We can write 270 by prime factorization, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. We can write 150 by prime factorization, 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. We can write 100 as 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. we can write 20 as 2 into 2 into 5. Now make the pair of 2, 3 and 5. From a pair of 2 into 2, 2, from a pair of 2 into 2, 2, from a pair of 2 into 2, 2, from a pair of 3 into 3, 3, from a pair of 3 into 3, 3, from a pair of 5 into 5, 5, from a pair of 5 into 5, 5, from a pair of 5 into 5, 5. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 24, 24 into 3 72, 5 5 the 25, 25 the into 5 125, 72 into 125 we get 9000. 9000 centimeter square is a required answer. Last question, question number 6 of exercise 12.1. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. We know that isosceles triangle is that triangle in which two sides are equal. We have given equal side is 12 centimeter and we have given perimeter is 30 centimeter. Let A equal to 12 centimeter, B equal to 12 centimeter, and we don't know the third side. Let third side is C. Let perimeter equal to, they have given perimeter equal to 30 centimeter and we know that perimeter is sum of its all sides of a triangle. Therefore perimeter equal to A plus B plus C equal to 30. A 12 centimeter, B 12 plus C as it is equal to 30. 12 plus 12 24 plus C equal to 30. C equal to 30 minus 24, C equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore the third side of a triangle is 6 centimeter. Two sides is 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter first side, second side is 12 centimeter, third side is 6 centimeter. Now S, that is semi-perimeter, is A plus B plus C by 2, 12 plus 12 plus 6 by 2, 12 plus 12 24, 24 plus 6 30 by 2, 30 divided by 2 we get 15. Therefore S equal to 15 centimeter. Now by using Heron's formula, area of triangle square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is 15, A is 12, B is 12, C is 6. 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 6. 15 as it is, 15 minus 12 3, 15 minus 12 3, 15 minus 6 9. We can write 15 as 3 into 5, 3 as it is, 3 as it is. We can write 9 as 3 into 3. Now make the pair of 3. From the pair of 3 into 3 we get 3. From a pair of 3 into 3 we get 3. 3 into 5 as it is in square root. 3 3 the 9. 3 into 5 15. Therefore 9 square root of 15 centimeter square is your required answer. Thank you.